Good morning. My name is Akshay Mohan Jha, and today I am here with your grammar book. We are studying chapter number 2, and in my previous videos, I discussed exercise A to exercise F. Now, this chapter is chapter number 2 of your grammar book for class 8, and we are doing this exercise G. Now, in this exercise, it says circle the noun and write the kinds, concrete or abstract. Here we have to just categorize it into two forms. Either it's a concrete noun or abstract noun. Now students, remember this. We call common noun, proper noun and collective noun as concrete noun. The abstract noun as an abstract noun. The first example says she was chided for her arrogance. Arrogance is a sort of behavior, a sense of proudness in somebody is is considered as arrogance. Somebody is over proud of himself, that is termed as arrogance. So arrogance is sort of behavior, so it's an abstract noun. The first example says her ambition knew no bounds. Now here ambition is abstract noun. Then you move on to question number 2. The mouse scurried here and there. Here mouse is the common noun, so we put it here concrete noun. So the first example is ambition. The first example is her ambition. Ambition is the noun, is the abstract noun, so we put abstract noun. Mouse is mouse is concrete noun. So you have to do this. Underline the abstract nouns. They could not survive the scarcity of food during the drought. Underline the abstract noun. So here scarcity is abstract noun. Her innocence was won. Her innocence won our love. So here love is an again abstract noun. Then his failure to climb the mountain encouraged him to try again. Here the failure is the abstract noun. Now look at the exam. The exercise H says underline the abstract noun. So you have to find where is the abstract noun and you have to simply underline it. That's your exercise. So here we have done exercise G and H. I hope you might find it easy doing it, but we'll move on 4 more exercises today. So you stay along. Now here we are doing exercise I. Fill in the blanks with the abstract noun given in the box. You can see that there are a lot of nouns here in the bracket. That's beauty, aggression, repulsion, labor, compulsion, composure, punctuality, courtesy, etc. First example, I was impressed reading about Robinson Crusoe, determination to survive on the remote island. So that's the abstract noun. Now second one, the first example is nuns live in dash to be one with the poor. What could be here? Nuns live in, can we use comfort here? Nuns live in, or can we use composure? Nuns live in composure to be one with the poor. This will be the right answer. The second one is the dash of the temple caused an uproar. The destruction of the temple caused an uproar. So second one, you have destruction as the suitable option. Now children, you might find it difficult for yourself to understand this. The better would be keep a dictionary alongside yourself, so whenever you get stuck with some sort of word, you can check its meaning in the dictionary. कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप अपने साथ में एक डिक्शनरी लेके रखें, ताकि आप जहाँ कहीं भी फंस जाते हैं तो वहाँ आप डिक्शनरी की मदद से अपने काम को बना पाएँ. So this is your exercise I. Please do this exercise, and if you look down right underneath exercise I, it says formation of abstract noun. Look how the abstract noun has been formed. Abstract noun are derived particularly from nouns, verb and adjectives. ये नाउन से भी बनता है, वर्ब से भी बनता है, एडजेक्टिव से बनता है. जैसे ब्रदर से ब्रदरहुड, मैन से मैनहुड. ये नाउन से एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, ब्रदर नाउन है, वो ब्रदरहुड बन गया. मैन, मैन से मैनहुड बन गया, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. अगेन किंग से किंगशिप, फ्रेंड से फ्रेंडशिप बन गया. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस एंड मेमोराइज इट. काइंडली मेमोराइज इट फॉर एज ऑफ नाउ. जैसे आप बड़े होंगे वैसे वैसे आप भी उसको बना लीजिएगा, या आप उसको बढ़िया से देख लीजिए. मीन्स यू कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ दिस. प्लीज़ try to memorize it. That would be my request. And again, now we are doing exercise J. It says write the abstract noun formed from the verb and adjective given in bold. Now the first example has been worked out for you. He is sincere toward his work. So the abstract noun would be sincerity. He shows sincerity towards his work. This is how it's written. The first example of exercise J. This aeroplane model has been created by me. Now create. How do you write it? Can we write creation? No. Created, this is a verb. We form abstract noun by, how do we form it? Think of it. The airplane model has been created by me. The aeroplane model has been created by me. So how will you write it? We can say creation. Creation is abstract noun. This aeroplane model is a creation by me. Now here it says I do not like your aggressive behavior. You can write I do not like your aggressiveness. So aggressive will change into aggressiveness, created will change into creation. This is how you will make exercise J. So I hope you have understood this exercise GHIJ so far. Now we will do exercise L and N.